Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are learning how to tune a guitar. As a beginner, we are learning how to tune a guitar. Iyo ni guitar ĩrĩa ĩtatunĩtwo ĩgambaga ũguo. Guitar ĩtatunĩtwo ĩgambaga ũguo. Now I want us to learn how to tune a guitar. So the first step to know about guitar tuning, you must know all the strings. You must know how to name the strings. There is a first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, sixth string. Or you can name the strings E, A, D, G, B, E. E, A, D, G, B, E. That is the second step. From there, you must know the frets. There is first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret. Fret is between here and here. So this is first fret. That is why it is called first fret. Then second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret. From there, these are chord tuners. These are chord tuners. They are the ones which are used to tune the strings. Tuners. We use them to tune the string to standard tuning. From there, you will go to Play Store and download Guitar Tuner. Guitar Tuner. This I will put a logo of that app, so that when you go to Play Store you can just download it. From there we now start tuning our guitar. Those are basics which you must know, so that you can be able to tune your guitar. Now we will start with first tune our first string, which is E. We're going to start with our lower string, our first string. So this is the entire guitar when it is not tuned. Now we're going to see the difference after we finish tuning. Now first string, we just look at the tuner, and then you turn this tuner so that the string can be on its standard tuning. So we just keep turning until it turns green. Good. And our first string is tuned. We go to our second string, which is B. We tune G string. Until it turns green. And now finally our guitar is tuned, standard tuned, and perfect. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and I will appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you.